How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be talking about our Ceptor-X Super Takedown Running Board Light. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Now you'll notice that you have your red positive connection, your black negative connection, your yellow flash pattern cable, your green Super Takedown cable, your white sync cable, and your blue alternate sync cable. So let's get this unit hooked up to power and show you some of the functions. So I went ahead and ran my red cable to my positive connection and my black cable to my negative connection. So let me go ahead and activate my light bar here. And then I have my yellow flash pattern cable, so I can simply tap that to my positive connection to change my flash pattern, so I can find a pattern I'd like. And then this unit has memory recall, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you have your green Super Takedown cable here. So when you activate that function, you'll see your unit will go to steady burn. And then when you deactivate that function, your unit will go back to flashing. And then finally, you have your sync and alternate sync cables here. So let's go over how to sync your unit. So I went ahead and set up my second Ceptor-X unit here. So I ran my red cables to my positive connection and then my black cables to my negative connection. So let me go ahead and activate my light bars here. Now the first step in syncing your units will be to get them set on the same flash pattern. And the way I like to do this is to make sure both units are in steady burn. Now once you've done this, you can go ahead and connect your yellow flash pattern cables, and then you can go ahead and tie your white sync cables together. And then you'll want to turn your units off and then back on, and that will complete the sync process. And then you can go ahead and tap your flash pattern cables to your positive connection so you can cycle through the patterns, find a pattern you'd like, and then your units will have memory recall, so you can shut your units off and back on, and they will remember the last pattern they were on. And then you still have access to your Super Takedown mode as well, so you can activate your Super Takedown mode, and then your units will still be in sync when you deactivate that mode. Now I did bring standard red-blue units with me, but we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. So let's go over an example of those. So I went ahead and hooked up an amber clear alternating unit here, but again, we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. And we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool, where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. When it comes to the housing of your unit, you'll notice that you have a low profile, weatherproof design, and then you'll see a backtrack on your unit, and that is to be used with your included L brackets. Now you can use these brackets to mount to your running board like so, or you can turn these brackets and use these to surface mount your unit as well. So that covers all of the features of our Ceptor-X Super Takedown Running Board Light. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.